Officials say at least 10 people are now confirmed dead from the California wildfires. 7 separate fires are burning across Los Angeles County. Officials estimate as many as 10,000 homes, businesses, and other structures have burned. Nearly 180,000 people are under evacuation orders. Charlie DeMar reports from Los Angeles.
Strong wind gusts remained a problem for firefighters Friday as they battle multiple wildfires that have devastated Los Angeles County.
The Eaton fire, current estimated acreage 13,956 acres with 3% containment.
Overnight, firefighters notched a win, stopping much of the Kenneth fire. Residents there described the panic of being told to evacuate.
You're just grabbing kind of the first thing you see, and then you get out of there and you kind of realize all these other memorable or sentimental items that you may have left.
In the Pacific Palisades, mandatory evacuations turned Sunset Boulevard into a parking lot as people fled their cars.
What was in the car was the important stuff we needed, and we lost it.
Some who did not leave paid with their lives, including 66-year-old Victor Shaw, who died in the Eaton fire. He was found with a garden hose still in hand.
I just cry. I just can't believe that it's happened, and it happened so quickly.
The smoke is still thick here in Altadena, California, which was hit hard by the Eaton fire. Now the National Guard is posted up at intersections like this one to keep looters away.
At the YMCA of Metropolitan Los Angeles, volunteers collected clothes and other necessities for the tens of thousands of evacuees.
You can tell down here we have boxes of clothing that will be distributed.
Forecasters say while the wind is expected to weaken as the day goes on, dangerous conditions are in the forecast for next week. Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Los Angeles.
In Los Angeles County, the fight against looters has stepped up. The Sheriff's Department says at least 20 people have been arrested so far. The Altadena fire is hitting close to home for a Minneapolis man. Zaylor Stout is an attorney who practices law in the Twin Cities, but also has a law office in Altadena where he grew up and his family still lives. John Lauritsen talked with Stout this morning, and John, this fire went right through his neighborhood.
Yeah, it really did, Shayla. And while Zaylor lives here, as you mentioned, he does spend a lot of time at his parents' house in Altadena, especially when he's working in California, which is frequently. He says growing up out there, wildfires were common, but this is the first time one has come this close to his childhood home. Luckily, his parents were not home when the fire came through, though neighbors had to evacuate. Even more fortunate is the fact that the fire got as close as the fence line of his parents' property, but somehow did not go any further.
We're really fortunate, very fortunate, but I mean, on our little road, I mean, we know all of our neighbors. We know everybody that's lived there forever and the new folks that have come in. And so it's still devastating to know that they've lost everything because, you know, my parents were calling the neighbors to see, you know, if they had any information. And so, you know, my parents had to break the news to their neighbors that they had lost everything because they didn't know.
Ziller says there are 8 houses in the neighborhood where his family lives. Only 2 of them survived the fire, his parents' home and another neighbor's house nearby. They still have smoke damage, but overall, the structure of the home was untouched by the fire, Shayla.
They're just certainly a couple of the lucky ones in this case. Our John Lauritsen reporting. If you want to help those impacted by the California wildfires, we have information where you can donate on our website at WCCO.com.